Hello everyone, welcome back to Net Academy. So today I'm going to mark or to show you how to do these two questions. This question 14 and question 15. And these questions are located in the 2023 NESA examination. I mean national examination. Yes, prepared by NESA. So stay tuned and let's continue. Then the question number 14. The sum of three consecutive integers is 21. Find the integers. The question was having about 5 marks. So to do this question, first you have to know there is only three numbers. The first number is the first number and the second number, their differences is only 1. And the second and the third number, there is the difference is only 1, except for the first number or first integer and the third integer, which is the only 2, because they are consecutive, which means the first the answer there is smallest number. Let's call the smallest number. This is the smallest number equal to x, and rate the second number. Yes, the smallest number, which is here is the far yes, the first. So the middle number the middle number the middle number let's because their differences, the first number and the second number is 1, so the middle number will be equal to x. Yes, will be equal to x plus c, x plus 1, which is the yes, x plus 1, which is the second number. Now the third number. So the third number, or the last, let's call it the last number. Let's be equal to, which means it's x plus c, x plus 2, because the difference between this number and this last number is 2, because the difference also is equal to 2. So, and this is will be equal to x plus c, x plus 2. I think you understand. X plus c, x plus I mean x plus c, x plus 2, which is the third because they said in it says 3, the third number. So they are asking what is those integers. So here's the here's the here's the here's the answer. The answer is that we are having the x plus x plus 1, then plus x plus 2 equal to 21. Then we are having the 3x when we 3x plus c, 3x plus 3, 3x plus c, 3, which will be equal to 21. So 3x will be equal to 18, which means here 3 will be coming here and subtract from 21. I mean, yes, 18. So now the x will be equal to 3. So if x is equal to 2, so the first number, which means the first number will be equal to, so the first number here, the first number will be equal to first number will be equal to 6, and the second will be equal to 7, because the second number will be equal to x plus 1. So, and the value of x, we have the x will be equal, no, x is not equal to, x is equal to 6, yes. And then the yes, and then the third number is then x plus 2, which is equal to, it will be equal to 8. So make the sum and you will see it, and it is equal to 21. So let's go to the last. So now this question, its answer is the question, first for the question, it was the question also 15. We're having the functions f of x, which is equal to 5x, and the gx, which is equal to x negative 2. So the question was to find f of g x, and f of g, and b to find the g of f. So here the answer is made like this. So for a, first we found its f, and then put the value of gx. Gx is equal to x negative 2. Yes, 2x negative 2. So which will be equal to the f of x is 5. So we put 5, and in the place of this, instead of writing this x, we put the value of gx, which means it's equal to x negative 2. So the answer will be equal to, let's put it in the here, the answer will be like, the answer will be equal to 10x negative 10. This is the answer for rule A. So now it's on B. On B, we are having the g of f, which means we have g, and we will put in the place of, we're having g, and then we have to put the value of f is 5x. So this will be equal to the g is 2x negative 2, which means it will be 2. Then in the place of this x, we put the value of f of x, which will be equal to, and then bracket 5x, yes, 5x, then put the bracket, then negative 2. So here the answer will be equal to 10x negative, yes, it will be equal to 10x negative 2. So my beautiful student, this is so this is the end of this video. Ask for another questions. So banyeshuri rero, this is the end of this video. Nahisemo biriya bibazo kubera ko nabonaga ko tuno tuba dukunda kunanira abantu gushaka ama f utu tuntu, ariko ni utuntu tworoshye nk'amanota 4. Icyambere twari twakoze cyari gifite amanota 5, twari tuzi two gusaba understanding gusa. So niyo mpamvu rero navuga ngo reka mbe mbahaye tuno tubazo na mwe munareba mukore mu zindi exercises. So ntabwo byari byankunda kubona the device imfasha gukosora mathematics neza gusa. I hope mu minsi iri imbere biraza gukunda. So thank you, see you later.